she think? Ooh, the cheese is real.
Welcome back to another episode of Taste Bud Takeover, where I travel to different countries and not only try the street food, but I add my own little twist to it and see how everybody reacts. Today we're in Mombasa, Kenya, where we'll be searching for the legendary street food, the Samosa. Please show your support by liking this video and hitting that follow button. Let's go. How you guys doing? Good, good, good. Do you guys make samosas here? Yeah. What's inside the samosa? What? Oh, okay, okay. Is it good? Do you like it? Yeah, it's good. Okay, cool. Can I try one? Yeah, sure. How much is it? 10 bob. 10 bob? Okay, cool. Let me get one. All right, cool. Thank you. Here's that. Oh, shit. All right, yeah, this is a very crispy samosa. Look at this. Let's try that. Good, good, good. Excellent. Okay, so this is like my second or third time eating the samosa. I usually have beef samosas, but these ones are pretty good too. Do you make it all yourself here? Yeah. Homemade, handmade? Homemade. Awesome. Okay, well, because I've made my own samosas. I've actually made my own samosas last night. I was wondering if you guys would like to help me make some. No, I'm selling. They're all free. They're for free? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Check this out. Is it okay if my buddy films? All right, cool. So we are gonna make some together. All right. So check this out. I got all the ingredients. I got a little paste right here. I got our onions. Then I have the sauce. Put that right there, okay? So, and then of course you need something to make the samosas with, right? All right. You made yourself? No, I didn't make these. I tried to make them in the beginning and they worked a little bit, but then I bought some and these look much better, so I'm just gonna use these. Let's try these. First off, hand sanitizer, obviously. Okay, what I've always been told is how you make a samosa is like this, right? Yeah? Okay, cool. So we need this, of course, right? Yeah. Right down there. Got a little spoon right there. Okay, cool. Drop that in there like so. So we got our mozzarella cheese and we gotta make it stick, right? Gotta put that right there on there. Then we have our samosa. May I use a little bit of your oil to fry this? I got a surprise for you in a second. Okay. All right. Oh, and I feel the rain coming, so here we go. Well, hopefully this is good enough. I'll just let that one go. But here we go. I have some already pre-made samosas.
This cheese, is it cheese and the sauce or?
Yeah.
Are you doing the side?
No, I just like to eat. Okay. All right. How many do you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
6.
Well, I'll make all I got so you guys can have it all. Here you go. 1, 2. All right, you guys got to tell me if it's good or not. Don't lie. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, tell me it's bad. This is my first time making samosas. Let's get 4 more going. What do you guys think of those? Is the cheese melted enough, or should I leave it in a little bit longer?
Leave it a little bit longer.
A little bit longer? You got it. All right, let's just do 3 at a time just so it's hot, and then I'll get them rest going. Whew. Who likes pizza here? Anyone? So this is called the pizza samosa because it's going to be cheese, pizza sauce, onions. Yeah. All right. Huh? We only got 3 left, so I want to make sure all the ladies get one, and then you guys can have what's left. All right? 1 and 2. Here you go, man. It's real hot, so watch out for that one. Give me a second. I'll get you. I'll get you. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it? We'll say about a 6, 7, 3. No! Okay. Let's try these ones. The next one we're gonna have is called the Philly cheesesteak samosa. So what this is gonna be, it's gonna be steak, mozzarella cheese, or any kind of white cheese, and then there's gonna be red and green peppers in it. Go ahead and make one real quick. I'll do that right here. Man, it's raining, but it's hot over here. Take the beef, we're gonna put it in there. So we put the cheese inside, green peppers, and there we have it, samosa. It's gonna rain, and it's gonna be bad because water and oil doesn't exactly mix. So here we go. We're gonna get this out of here real quick. Sorry. Oh, cool. Thank you. Here we go.
Bro, you are multitasking like a
I know. Thank you, brother. Good or bad? You can be serious. I don't think anybody likes it. What a day to do this, cow. All right, anyone who would want one with a bowl, please step up, grab one. This is the Philly cheesesteak one. So this is gonna be steak, or sorry, beef, cheese, and green peppers. And then I have a little sauce. And then you guys have to give me your honest opinion. Just tell me if you think it's good or bad. You're not gonna hurt my feelings, I promise you. The first one was nice? Okay, cool. I thought so too. That one's probably one of my favorites. But this one is a little bit more savory, but I think it needs something. So that's why I made a garlic aioli with that one. We got some homemade garlic aioli. It's got a garlic, mayonnaise, and lemon in it.
Oh, okay.
Want a little dip. Dip just to try it out. Mayonnaise and lemon in it. All right, so what do we think about this one, guys? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? It's a bit flat. There's no flavor, right? There's nothing. All right, okay. All right, okay. Awesome. And now for the last one. This is gonna be a different kind of samosa. What do you think is gonna be inside? Any guesses? Inside. Veggies? With chocolate? Ew. No. Okay, so what's gonna be in here is gonna be banana and peanut butter. And then I deep fried it and then I covered it in chocolate. So, anyone wanna try this one? All right, cool. How do you guys like? Do you like the first one? Is it good or bad? He's like, I don't know, man. All right, we'll try this one, guys. Here, try that one. Give that one a go. Make sure everyone gets one. He's like, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I got what I came for. Chocolate. Does it take you? Okay, I have an answer. Here we go.
But I don't know what is that. The white one.
Oh, the cheese, yeah. It's a mozzarella cheese. You like that one? A banana and chocolate? You like that one? All right, cool. Compared to the other ones, which one? One or two? Or which one did you guys like best then? I don't have any chocolates left, but I do have some pizzas. All right, so that's gonna do it for the samosas. Would you like one? It might be a little hot, so just so you know.
One or two.
You can have as many as you want. All right, I think I have 2 pizzas left if somebody wants them. Okay, cool. I think they're pizza. Maybe. Let's see what she thinks. Ooh, the cheese is real. Oh no! What do we think? Is it good or bad? Doesn't like the cheese? Okay. It's different. It's not traditional. That face, okay. It's raining, but we're doing this. Who thinks number 1 was the best? Raise your hand. Pizza. All right, who thinks Philly cheesesteak was the best? Who thinks the chocolate banana was the best? All right. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of the Philly cheesesteak. Or add something to it. She didn't like it. If you were out walking around looking for food and you saw a pizza samosa, would you buy it? Yeah? Would you buy the chocolate banana? Well, would you buy the Philly cheesesteak? Probably not, yeah. But yeah, I'm a big fan of regular samosas, the beef samosas that you guys make here. I love that stuff. I just come out here and I I try and take what's out here. I try and get creative and do something different and see what people think of it. So, well, I appreciate you guys letting me do this. Boss lady over here. So I appreciate you guys coming up or letting me come out here and like doing my thing. So I appreciate you. We'll see you guys later. Thank you guys. Making samosas on the street. Do you guys want any Tupperware? Yeah? Okay. All right, well, you guys can have this if you'd like it. For some pizza sauce? I got a whole bag of cheese that I'm not gonna use. Cheese? Nobody likes cheese, okay. Yeah, you can have that too. Oh, do you want those?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want the bags too? Okay, there you go, guys. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you next time. Guys, take care. Thanks.
Real quick closing thoughts.
Closing thoughts. All right, guys, so that was a little harder than it looked. Making samosas right on the street in front of everyone in the rain. But somehow we pulled through and we got it done. As you can see, not everybody liked everything. So the pizza, everybody seemed to like the pizza one and the chocolate covered banana and peanut butter one. But the Philly cheesesteak one was a dud. So we're probably not gonna do that one again, or we're gonna have to like switch that one up to see how we can make it better. So it took me over 6 hours, like 3 hours yesterday of prep and 3 hours today of prep. And it was just a long and taxing experience. And I don't think I'm ever gonna make samosas again. It was a super hard project to tackle. But you know, we're out here, we did it. But shout out to everybody over here at the stand for letting me do my thing for them. Thanks to Colin Broadcast for filming this whole thing out in the rain with me. Appreciate you all. But we are going to the next one. We're gonna see what kind of different food that we can get on the street and put our own little spin on it. We're gonna just be out here doing our thing. We're going to Zanzibar next. Let's see what different kinds of food we can make. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow. We'll see you next time. We're out.